Now, February was very kind to us in terms of the amount of shoes we got and the uniqueness of a lot of shoes. You know, we saw some Union Frags, we saw some Levi's drops, we also saw the collab there of the Stranger Things with the foam posits. But man, I'm gonna tell you right now, I was a fiend for this shoe that's in this box right here. You already know based on the thumbnail what we're getting into. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OGSP Black, White, Varsity Red. Yes, sir, you see the all black box there with Nike kind of in gloss writing, almost ghost out, but man, 11.5. Shout out to the Sneakers app for giving your boy the retail dub on this shoe. Once you go ahead and pop the lid, you are met here with this blue tissue paper that says Air Jordan 1 Union Fragment. Now you are met with two shoes double wrapped here with the tissue paper. Let's see if there's anything else inside this box. Nope, nothing in there. Let's go ahead and let's unwrap one of them. Take a look and unwrap one of them. Which side did I unwrap here? Okay, the right side. Man, oh man, oh man. If there was one shoe I absolutely wanted, it was these guys right here. The Jordan 1 Union Frag Varsity Reds. I'm absolutely in love with this shoe. I don't care what no one has to say that's negative about it. This right here is my sneaker of February 2026. That being said, let's go ahead and get into some of the features here. Now, you do see the collab, right, of the Union and the Fragment. This Fragment blue. Lower down here, you got the embossed or debossed, no, embossed Fragment symbol there on the outside heel. Now, some people actually got theirs with just a printed stamp on it. It's not actually embossed like these, but these are the embossed ones, guys. And also you have here that writing on the Fragment shoes, kind of like if you have the Travis Scott Frag lows, you know, same kind of situation there. See the sail midsole all the way around, right? And then the outsole is the blue outsole there, the blue Frag color with the traditional Jordan 1 traction. Side paneling, tumbled white side panels there on the lateral and medial side, black swoosh, right? You got white stitching there to combine the upper and lower parts on the sneaker itself. Red collar with black hairy suede here at the top. Guys, the tongue itself, that age style Union tongue, right, with the exposed foam all the way around. Tongue tag, Nike Air, written in white there on the red tongue. Turn around here to the back. Obviously, the tongue here is in that two-tone with the white stitching. You got kind of that aged white here at the top, yellowing coming through because of the foam, and then the bottom is black. But also you have exposed foam here around the tongue as well with white stitching holding it all together. Now, along the edging of all the leather, you actually can kind of see this, but it's yellow here, guys. Kind of giving it that kind of aged look to it, which I really like. Really like. I think that's a dope feature there. Let's see. It comes pre-laced in here with two-tone laces. All right. We have white here at the bottom, and then it'll lace up here to black laces, which is pretty much a Union feature that you usually get. Let's see. I do have a couple sets of laces inside this shoe. What's this one here? 2 or 3 pairs. Okay, so this is in all black lace. Okay, that's in all black. And what do we have here? All right, this one here would be a two-tone black and red, and I think there's probably one more, and maybe it's in this shoe, but we'll get to it in just a second. Take out the tissue paper here on the inside, kind of traditionally what you would get with a lot of your Union shoes, right, with the insole foot pad and the print writing they have on here. Obviously it says Air Jordan Union. This is kind of, you know, kind of like the sketches or the blueprints, right, of how they go about building the shoe itself, which I always think is pretty dope. You can't see it, and usually also we get the tissue paper that matches this, but because of the collab, you know, the triple collab, they changed it up. Let's see here. What else am I missing? White here in the toe box area, and then around the mud guard, it's all black. black here along the lace holes all the way up, and then inside the lace holes too, it's kind of maybe hard to see, but you know, there's yellowing in there as well, and it's yellowing all the way around as far as the leather is concerned. Let me go ahead and look at the left one here, since we looked at the right. And yep, here goes the extra set of laces here for it, and it is the traditional yellow Union laces for the shoe itself, which I think is pretty dope. Not sure exactly what set of laces I'm gonna go with here. All right, we have some more print here of the construction of the Union Frags. Again, that's definitely a Union feature, that you get this print here on the insole foot pads. And then the pads themselves, these look like Dream Cell pads, but it does not say Dream Cell, but I will say probably some decent thickness here to the padding. But you know what it is when it comes to Jordan 1s. Insole footbed there, no Easter eggs down there, but you can see how they're all stitched up. Nothing distinctly different. My left shoe also has the debossed fragment symbol. And man, I just absolutely love these. Now I do have last year's pair, the Shadow Chicagos, which the leather quality on that is a match to these as well. But let me know down there in the comment section below if you guys went for these. Were you able to cop retail? Are you going to be patient and wait for these to go down in price? They're still dropping a little bit there on the secondary market. Very dope shoe to have. In any case, guys, this is Louis Other Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.